Hey guys, back. Hope you guys like my first Scratch tutorial, and I'd like to show you guys another one. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to kind of make a little game like this. Or I'm going to start to show you guys how to make a little game like this, but this is just a point and shoot. Gonna shoot that egg over there. Crack the egg, score is going to go up. A neat little game. It'll be fun to kind of make, so kind of walk you guys through how to make this one. Back into Scratch at scratch.mit.edu again. I'm going to create a new. And let's get started. First, we're going to choose a background. Actually, let's get rid of this little spray here first. Let's grab a background. We can make this one anywhere we want. Since it's a starfish, let's put him in the water. And then we have our background. As you can see inside of the background thing, there's plenty of different backgrounds. You guys can make whatever you want to make. And then let's go grab our starfish or whoever, our little character that we'd like to have shooting. Animals here, and there's all kinds of sprites in here by default, but I like the little starfish guy because he's kind of funny. So in this first tutorial, we're going to show you how to put him where he is, and then we're going to kind of show you how to get him to kind of follow the mouse wherever he goes. I like him. Where do we want him? How about right there? So to get him to stay right there, we need to control where he is whenever the game starts. So I'm going to say when clicked, we want to show him. And we want him to go to this specific spot. So whenever you place him here, you can kind of drag him and drop him wherever you want. Where you feel like good, this go to X is going to kind of figure out where he's at every time. So if we move him over here, but now when we click on it, he's going to jump back over there. And you can kind of play with wherever you want him to go. We like him right there. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to try to get him to follow the mouse. So whenever we have our little target that he's going to be shooting at, his mouth will kind of follow. So we're kind of aiming with the mouse. We want that to happen forever. So he's always following that. And then we need to kind of control where he's looking. So motion is what we're looking for. And this point towards is what we're trying to do. Grab that, stick it right in there. Now, whenever we click on it, he is going to follow our cursor wherever he goes. Pretty simple. There's a lot of functions that we can kind of throw in here to get him to do different things that we want to, but for this one game, that's kind of what we want him to do. Then once he's clicked, he kind of follows around our little mouse guy. Back on the game itself, he follows around, kind of goes. So then if we have this egg here, we want him to shoot the egg and kind of follows him around like that. But that is a pretty good introduction into making this little dude. Let's see if you can get that going. If you can get him to do that, you can run to this project page and you can click on the C inside. So he's at this, and I'll put this in the link in the video. And you can go in there and you can click on it. You can see inside to see all the code that I've already written that's going on in here to kind of show what's happening, what's controlling him. But for our intensive purposes for today, we are just getting him to move. Give that a shot. If that's pretty easy, you guys can keep going with whatever. If not, tune in next time and we will get him to shoot. How's that sound? Sound cool?